In the previous segment, I leveled off a section of the stringers to support this top plate, which is designed to hold this top bearing, which is the only bearing between the one in the skeg and the top. And this part is also required to accommodate a stop collar that goes underneath to prevent the shaft from coming up. If the rudder should hit anything, it could, in theory, pop it right out of the bearing on the skeg. So I'm just dry fitting this right now. I'm going to drill the holes and put some bronze bolts in here for now. I've also got to drill 4 holes. This piece is bolted down. It's not permanently attached. I purposely didn't cap the stringers because I knew I was going to have to make this modification, but once it's all dry fitted and everything, I'll take it off and I'll cap the remaining part of the stringers and give everything a good coat of epoxy before it's painted. So I'm just going to get started with that right now. So what I'm using is a brad point bit just to locate the center of the hole before I drill the hole for the bronze bolts. This piece is solid oak. It's more than an inch thick. A little bit of wobble there, but I'll put a 1/16 inch piece of rubber underneath when it's bolted through, and that should hold it pretty well. I'm going to drill the holes, mark it and drill the holes for the bolts that will go in here, and then I'm going to take it out and dress up all the edges with the router and make it, sand it down so it's ready to be painted, and then it can be assembled. got about 4 ounces of epoxy mixed up, and I'm going to add some milled glass fibers to it. And there's no thickening in this because I want it to run down into the holes. So this is that's kind of what they look like. Just little shards of fiber in there.